Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood French teacher back with you. All right, I only get 15 minutes for free. Here's the next 15, maybe less. Okay, here we go. So you, Josue, and Lauren had fun at the party. How you gonna say it? S'amuser. Oops. Come on. Yes, vous vous êtes bien amusé à la fête. And of course, you're gonna make this agree because à la fête is not a body part. All right, moving on. Added transitions for fun. All right, this part you're gonna do on your own. So I would pause this. Hold on, I have to readjust here. I would pause the video and let's just read the instructions together. You can repeat so we can practice. Monsieur Richard demande à ses enfants et à sa femme ce qu'ils font ce matin. What they are doing this morning. Mais ils ont déjà fait tout ce qu'ils mentionnent. But they've already done everything. Donne les réponses de la famille Richard. So everything you're going to say déjà. Like, you know this thing that happens like déjà vu? This is it right here. Déjà vu. They're all, his whole family. Richard's family's having it. Okay. Chérie, tu te maquilles? And she says, pause it. Wait for it. Okay. So I want you to go through these, each one, pausing it, and then looking at the answer because I can't check if you're doing that, but that's like, besides being there with me, maybe a much more effective way than just copying it. Okay, so we're just going to read through the answers as we go. Je me suis déjà maquillée, and this is an extra E because it's sa femme. Nous nous sommes déjà réveillés. And if you guys see a fault in here anywhere, please let me know because you know I make mistakes and we're going to fix it. Okay, nous, this is pink, so that means it's girls, and nous nous sommes habillés. Again, I'm not trying to be feminist, but it's easy in my mind if I just think pink is girl because then I don't have to think about it. Okay, je me suis déjà lavé la figure. It's feminine, but we don't make it agree. Partie du corps, pas d'accord. And nous nous sommes déjà brossé les dents. Partie du corps, pas d'accord. You will definitely see those on the test if you have a test. All right, next. You're going to say what they did. Same thing. You're just going to practice this. This is on page 11. 175 is the book page, so don't pay attention to that. It's page 11. Okay, 1, 1. Okay, I try to draw it with the cursor. All right, so take a minute, do that one. There's 4 answers here. And it's just being very careful about what agrees and what does not agree. Okay, and then we're going to look at one new grammar thing today. You've already had it in the expressions. And now, l'impératif. Yay! I think of Kritika and Patrick. Okay, here we go. SpongeBob and Patrick cheering you on. All right, let's watch this. If you can't see it good here, you're going to turn it on the Biandi website, and I'll send you the link. This is page, hold on, page, 12. We're going to skip the interview because there's no one there to do an interview with. Okay.
Remember that to make commands, you use the imperative with the to and flip-flops.
Okay. Why? Because, answer. Very good. Absolutely. It's absolutely because in third person, we can't say to do anything. You have to say it in second person, okay? Or in first person, like we are going to do this. Okay.
To make an affirmative command with a reflexive verb, you drop the subject.
You drop the subject.
Attach the reflexive pronoun to the end of the verb. With a hyphen between the verb and the pronoun.
Okay, so there it is. That's the whole how you create it. There's a lot of steps involved, and this is even for French 4, they get tricky. This gets tricky. So here we go.
Dépêchez-vous, Victor.
Okay, copiez, dépêchez-vous, Victor.
In affirmative command with tu,
With tu, okay.
the reflexive pronoun tu becomes toi. Dépêche-toi, Victor. To make the negative command, take the negative sentence of the present tense.
Take the negative sentence of the present tense. So it's exactly the same, but you're going to take this off.
Drop the subject pronoun.
Okay, you can watch that as many times as you need to. Here's what you should have written down. To make commands, use the imperative with, oh, let me do my accent. To make commands, you use the imperative with the two nous and vous forms only. Let me do a French accent. It's easier today. To make an affirmative command with a reflexive verb, you drop the subject and attach the reflexive pronoun to the end of the verb with a hyphen between the verb and the pronoun. Hyphen, un trait d'union, un tiret. Please write it down because in French 4, I will use this as the word for tiret, hyphen. Dépêchez-vous, Victor! Allez, dépêche-toi de manger, on va être en retard. Oh, le petit chat. Finalement, in affirmative commands with tu, the reflexive pronoun te becomes toi. Dépêche-toi, Victor. Okay? To make a negative command, take the negative sentence of the present tense and drop the subject pronoun. Ne vous levez pas, je vais chercher un docteur. Oh, et je cherche un docteur, voilà. Ok, merci, au revoir. Mouah. Oh, autre docteur, ok.